On behalf of myself, the Board of Trustees, and the entire Sweetwater District, we would like to congratulate all of our Employees of the Year, employees with milestone years of service, and retirees. It is truly an honor to recognize the hard work and contributions you've all made in the lives of our students and our community. For those of you who are retiring, I would like to thank you for your years of service to students, and I wish you a very happy retirement. Once again, on behalf of all of us, congratulations to all of you.
Hi everybody, hola, ¿cómo está? I am Marina Dillingham, one of Sweetwater's Teachers of the Year for 2021. I teach French and Spanish at Bonita Vista High School. I'm incredibly honored and proud to be representing my school district and also my high school, Bonita Vista High School. Go Barons!
Thank you so much for the opportunity to be a Sweetwater Teacher of the Year. I don't take that lightly because we have some of the most amazing educators on my campus across the district. And so I know that being recognized like this is a big honor. So thank you.
I am honored to be the MASD Employee of the Year. Coming from such an auspicious group where we have so many of our management association members who have truly dedicated their lives to supporting students, their school, their community. It is humbling that I get to represent you this year for 2021.
It is an honor to represent the confidential unit as Employee of the Year co-recipient. I thank my colleagues for the opportunity to represent them. The Sweetwater Union High School District has been a second home for many years. I have worked in multiple departments throughout the district.
Hey everyone, my name is Greg Simpson. I work at Chula Vista High in the Social Science Department. It is an honor to have been selected as Sweetwater Union High School District's one of their Teachers of the Year for 2021. And what a challenging, exciting year this has been. It definitely has evolved education. And it's been that way for the entire community, not just teachers, but also our students, our parents, everybody involved with our system.
Hi, my name is Ivy Medrano, and it is an honor to be one of Sweetwater's Teacher of the Year and to represent Eastlake Academy. I work with some amazing teachers that I respect and look up to, so to be recognized by my colleagues is such a privilege.
It's a great honor that I was nominated this year. I've worked here for several years, a little bit over 20 years, and it was really unexpected, and I really appreciate people noticing me and knowing how hard I work for this district and how much I enjoy working here and making sure our community has, everything they need.
Hello Sweetwater family, my name is Nicole Quick and I am a teacher at Eastlake High School where I teach English 11, ERWC, and serve as the yearbook advisor. And what an amazing honor to be named a Sweetwater Teacher of the Year during a pandemic. It just makes this recognition that much more meaningful and is incredibly validating and lets me know that even though this was the hardest year of our teaching careers, with so much uncertainty, it really is going to be okay, and we really can survive anything.
Hi, my name is Imelda Genovese and I work in the Superintendent's office. I am deeply honored to have been selected Employee of the Year. I really appreciate the vote of respect from my colleagues in the confidential group. We are all hardworking individuals deserving of recognition, and I thank them for their support during this past year.
I'm honored and privileged to have been chosen by my colleagues at Sweetwater High to represent them as this year's Teacher of the Year, and to have been chosen by the district as one of the 6 finalists. Having taught at 5 district schools, I feel that I owe much of my growth as an educator to my students and colleagues at each of these sites. I'm especially grateful for the last 11 years that I have spent in the amazing community of National City, first at Granger Junior High and now at Sweetwater High.
What I love most about being an educator is really the relationships that we establish with our students, our staff members, our community members, and of course our colleagues. Having those relationships that are lifelong relationships in many cases, and seeing the impact of either being a teacher or an administrator on the life of a young person is definitely something that inspires me on a daily basis. And I absolutely love that ability to be able to connect and make a difference in a person's life.
And one of the things that I love about my profession are, of course, the students. Being able to connect with them, seeing those aha moments that they have when they're trying to learn a new lesson, a new skill. They may struggle, and then something just clicks and they just get it. And I just love and I miss seeing that. We as educators, we have a responsibility to grow young minds. And especially as a special educator, I feel we have the responsibility to teach tolerance and acceptance of everyone's individuality and differences. So that's what I love about being a teacher.
I think what really resonates for me is that this is an opportunity to rebuild, to take some of the strengths of the former system and put them back in when we go back to in-person teaching, but then also take the opportunity for this dismantling that the pandemic sort of facilitated and use it to rebuild back different systems that work for all kids, systems that embrace universal design for learning or have more access points for kids with different needs.
This past year has been challenging, but it has emphasized the importance of flexibility, collaboration, and most of all, empathy. I am so proud of my peers that have stepped up to the plate and taken the challenge head on. It has been a year of learning and doing things in a different way to continue to provide the best possible service.
I think this year has forever changed the teaching profession in a very positive way, in the sense that we try to teach our students to be 21st century learners, and now the teachers have become 21st century teachers and learners as well, whether we like it or not. And I think being able to embrace all of the new technologies and the way that we can deliver content now has kind of changed the game. And things are more interactive. We're able to meet different learning styles and really incorporate those life skills into our everyday lessons like never before.
It's not just rote memorization, it's the ability to interact with each other, to collaborate, to problem solve. And boy, did that get better through this experience. So I think I'm going to tap into some of the difficulties of distance learning as a bank of skills that we can then build on in our classrooms next year. So I'm excited for that challenge and that opportunity. I think it's going to be incredible.
Another thing that I look forward to, especially as a yearbook advisor, is to be able to take pictures again of school events, capture those moments of students and teachers learning, working together, because being a yearbook advisor during distance learning has not been easy at all.
But I'm just very excited to see students, teachers, counselors, administrators, our classified staff really engage with students to ensure that we are offering them the best instruction and supports for them to achieve their lifelong dreams. And so that's what I'm most looking forward to as we start this next academic school year.
And so I think there's been a lot of positives to come out of distance learning. At the very least, now we're able to really adapt and problem solve and know that we really can overcome our struggles and challenges, and are living examples of that to our students. And I hope to carry that over into this next school year, to continue to teach these important life lessons, the message of perseverance, of meeting the emotional needs of students just as much as teaching them how to read and write. These life lessons are so important and so meaningful to be able to really teach to the whole student. And that's at the core of my teaching philosophy.
And I honestly cannot wait to put the humans back into humanities. I'm excited to bring back that controlled chaos that exists within that classroom. And I want to get back to what I love doing the most, which is teaching, seeing those aha moments, seeing those things in person, to have fun, make connections, and celebrate each other. Thank you again. It's an honor to represent our community.
I am over the moon excited for what this could bring in terms of facilitating positive change for everybody. Thank you.
I am really looking forward to seeing my students again, because I really miss them, and being here in my classroom teaching them in person, because it's through the relationships that we build with our students that we can truly impact their academic achievement.
And that's what I love most about teaching. It's always all about the students. They make every day brighter, and they make my life worth living and give me purpose each and every single day. And being able to try these new things and be successful at them is really rewarding. And the thing is, though, that doesn't happen alone. It happens because teachers support each other. And I'm so honored to have been able to collaborate with so many different people this year. And the camaraderie among teachers within our district is just phenomenal. And I am so honored to be a part of this amazing profession and our Sweetwater family.
So with that, all I wanted to say was grazie, arigato, and a bientôt. Nos vemos.